1. Go!
Hello and welcome to another No on a Narrowboat. Today me and Mummy are making a sausage casserole.
What ingredients do we have here?
We have onion, broccoli and whatever this stuff is, and mushrooms.
Mushrooms. What's this massive?
I forgot the name of it.
You know what that is. It's a leek. It's a leek.
Mum, we've got a leek in our boat.
And that's a sausage casserole, the mix that we put on the top to cheat, don't we? So what have you done so far, Noah? Let's have a look. You've been helping Mummy. We have cooked the onion. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And what's in this pan?
Well, Mum, we can't say the word because the dog's around, can we?
Okay. The things that we can't mention and some little bacon bits, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so that's all done. So now we've got to chop up the vegetables, haven't we?
I'm using a special butter knife for this.
You're not allowed the sharp one, are you, darling?
No.
There we go. Good boy.
It's easy. Look. Watch.
It's easy for mushrooms, isn't it?
Yeah,
You
look
can do
how
those
fast
with
they
it.
can go.
Yeah. Good boy. Right, I think that's probably enough now, isn't it? Yeah? Oh, Puppy thinks so.
Now I have to mix a special casserole mix, which I mix with that much water.
Can you remember how much we put in?
300
millilitres of water. So now we need to mix it all in. Can you open it, or do you want Mummy to open it?
It's like opening a dip pad.
Kind of, yeah. Can you manage? Do you want me to do it for you, darling?
It smells horrible.
It's lovely. What are you on about? It's going to be amazing.
In it goes.
There we are.
Oh, still got some.
Okay, got it all out.
No, not yet.
Perfect.
Still some.
Right, that's it. Just stir it in gently. That's it. You have to stir until it's all gone nice and smooth. Not too fast, it'll be everywhere. That's it. That's it. Goes into the big pan. Very gently. That's it. Pour it all in. Good boy. That's it. In with the onion. Oh, that's wonderful. That's it. Ooh.
Did I miss any?
No, they're all in, I think,
yes,
darling. That's it. They're all in. Brilliant.
Onion leeks.
Onion leeks.
Thank goodness for that. You're going to put them all over the stove.
Oh, hang on. Shall I help you? I'll help
I
you.
think Mummy needs to help you.
Hang on. I'll give
Nice
you a
and
hand.
steady, that's it.
Oh.
I just did this with mushrooms, didn't I?
You did. Yep. Good boy. That's it. All in the pan. Brilliant.
And you have to say, there we go, Martin. I am doing cooking for you.
Oh yes. Who was it?
Mr. Martin Heslip.
Mr. Martin Heslip wanted to see you doing your cooking.
Mhm.
There you go. Good boy.
I'm good at cooking.
You are. This is your favourite broccoli, isn't it?
Mhm.
And what else do we call broccoli?
Trees.
Why do we call them trees?
Because they look like them, don't they?
They look like little trees, don't they?
Yeah, look, this is like a willow tree with a big stem.
Good boy. You managing all right?
Yeah, lovely.
Okay.
Yep.
That's it. Is your broccoli?
Nice and slow.
That's it. All in. That's it. Puppies want the sausages, don't they?
Yeah, we need a bigger frying pan. Well, not frying pan.
There we are. Well done. That's all the veg in.
Just for a little added bit of flavour, we're putting a little bit of paprika in it.
Paprika. Just a little bit though. That's it. A little shake. Good boy. There, perfect. If you stir it all in, careful because it will be very hot now. So we'll paprika in. So we'll let it cook a little bit more and then you can put your sausages in, can't you?
Yeah.
So these are your sausages.
Oh, don't say the word.
Oh, said it. And what else is in there? What's these little bits?
A bit of bacon.
So you fried those earlier, yes? They're ready. Oh, hang on, to go in. I don't know if you want to do them one at a time or just tip the. No, I think we should just tip the frying pan up, don't you? Go on then, pop him in. Oh, one.
That's he. He's in.
Okay, do you want me to give you a hand on this? Is it a bit difficult?
Wait 1 second.
What, my darling, what are you after?
Where is it?
What have you lost?
Just wait.
Oh, hang on. I know what you're looking for.
Yeah, you know.
Right, is that easier?
Yeah, this is what I wanted.
Right, okay. Pop them all in then. Sit really carefully. Don't want to drop it now, do we? That's it. You stow them all in. Sit. Really carefully. All in the pan. Oh, that way a little bit.
Sorry.
Perfect. There we go. That's your
Sausage casserole.
well done, Noah.
And that is literally how you bake it. It's that I use.
So what we do now, we cook it a little bit on here, and then we're going to go and pop it on top of the wood burner, aren't we, to cook slowly?
Yeah.
And that'll be ready for tea.
Yeah. I bet you that Bandit's going to try and get it again like that short.
He will. He'll try and pinch it. So we'll watch the doggies, won't we? But well done, little man. There, our tea. All cooked by Noah.
And you.
Thumbs up. Well done.
This is the complete thing.
Oh, Bandit wants some. You enjoying it? Mm-hmm. There's not much left, is there? Well done.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free.